Hello. This video is going to show you how to leave voice comments in Google Docs using the Read and Write for Google Chrome extension. So once you open a Google Doc, your student's work, you can come up here and select the Read and Write for Google Chrome extension. Once you select that or click on it, it opens this toolbar down here. And while you have access to all these features, the one I want to point out today is the voice note. So if I highlight something here, and instead of clicking this to leave a comment, I'm going to actually come up here and click on this voice note. Once this opens, I have the microphone here, playback, and when I'm ready, I can insert. So I'm going to show you, if you click on the microphone, it starts recording immediately. It gives you 1 minute to leave your feedback or voice recording. Whenever you're done, you hit stop. You can play it back right on the spot. If you don't like it, you can just re-record and it automatically overrides what you previously recorded. Or if you're satisfied with it, you select insert and it processes the recording and immediately populates it down here like a comment would be for the student. So you see now it's populated down here. It says who left the comment and it's a voice recording. So as the student, they can come in and if they're on their laptop, they can click play so that they can hear the comment play back. If they're on their iPads, they'll open the comments area in the doc and play it back the same way. Whenever the student is done, just like any other comment, they can mark this as resolved and hide it. If you don't want this toolbar anymore, you just select the Read and Write for Google extension again and have it go away.